for subscribing to my channel. This is a new video of a custom color that we're going to transform into another custom color. Right now, this is the before, and then we are going to get into the after. The past color that she had was a half blonde brown and half black, and today we will be transforming her hair completely red. So what I'm doing right now is I'm lightening up her hair to allow it to be as equal as the other side, just so we can have a great canvas so her hair can be even during the coloring process. For her hair, I use a 30 developer just to give it a soft lift without any extra heat under the dryer. Just let it kind of process on its own. Now that the hair is completely dry, I'm going to remove the clip. I'm going to blend both sides together to make sure that they're completely even. Now I'm going back into the hair and I'm using a 30 developer again to touch up her roots. Once I completely touch up all of the roots, I then go back in, starting in the nape, and I apply the lightener from the mid shaft all the way down to her ends. I like to use my hands as well as the brush just to smooth all of the product in so it's evenly distributed. Now, because her hair is extremely dark, I did process her for a little bit, like 10 minutes under the dryer. So because we decided to do her hair in a 2-day process, we ended up doing a test strand, which is I took a section closer to the nape area, well, the side and back, and I did a test color to see if the color red that she wanted was bright enough. And once we did determine that it was okay, we were going to go further with the process. Always use a thermal protectant. I like the Silk Infusion by Chi. I'm using my blow dryer right now just to kind of give that section a little bit of heat. But when I am blow drying, I tend to use a medium high speed, just to where, you know, it's not messing with the bonds of the hair, especially when it's being in a lightened process. Now that her test color came out exactly the way she wanted it, we were ready to move on to the next day. So for this color, I used a Pravana red, and I think I used a 10 or a 20 developer because I really didn't need to lift the hair, but more deposit. I parted the hair in 4 sections. I applied at the roots only. Now, the reason why I applied at the roots only is because I wanted the color to stay and hold a lot longer. Red hair color tends to fade faster, so I just wanted to put that all in her hair and then let that process for about 10-15 minutes and then go on to do the mid shaft all the way down to the ends. To receive a nice consistent flow, I love rubbing the hair color in and just really working that color in. Then after, this is the final reveal. I don't rub the towel, I just kind of towel blot it. As well as during the process, I always try to apply alcohol or some type of color stain removal around the edges before I blow dry. And again, I use my thermal protectant before I start blow drying. Also, I use a cooler temperature in the beginning just to get those roots. And once it's completely blown dry, then we are ready to start with our silk press. Everyone has their own silk press method. I typically like to just flat iron the hair and actually do one pass and then move the hair out the way. I do like to take thinner partings when it comes to natural hair. It just gives the hair a lot more silkier and straighter longer. Once the silk press is complete with all of my coloring services, I make sure that all of my clients receive a healthy trim. The trim always makes the hair look extremely healthy, and it is always recommended for any coloring service. I love this color. It is simply flawless. Again, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and as well as follow us on Instagram at Royal Hair Treatment, and leave a comment of what you would like to see on this channel, and I'll bring a video for you. Make sure you hit that alert button so you can be notified when a new video comes. I love you guys to life, and always adjust your crown.